I've really never liked Emo Tuo rice balls because I don't see the point of it. Eat rice cake. Why do you have to add plenty water and then turn it into balls and then eat? Just add the soup to the rice. That is my take on it. No disrespect to those who like rice balls. Until I discovered this recipe. Okay, so this recipe is normal rice balls, but infused with groundnut paste or peanut butter. And it originates from Zimbabwe. It's one of their local dishes they serve. Somewhat else here. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making peanut butter rice balls. Join me and I'll show you how it's made. So first of all, we cook the rice. Okay, we're going to make it just like the way we make our normal Omotuo. Okay, so I've added some water to the pot and I'm adding salt. Okay, once it boils, that's how I learned how to cook rice. Once the water boils, then I'll add the rice. Okay, so for me, a very exciting thing about cooking rice balls, okay, is that I don't have to worry about the water because you have to add plenty of water anyway, but not too much for it to become rice water. Okay, but then don't have to worry much, right? I didn't measure the water. I just added it. I stirred it. I'm like, this round it's going to rice water. So I just retrieved it from rice water. So I poured some of the water out. So I'm just going to cook it, right? So once it becomes, you don't have to wash this rice very much when you're making rice, but don't wash it because you need the starch to form the balls. What you see? So you don't wash it. So I only washed it once just to take out any impurities, right? Okay, and now this is how I want my rice ball. I don't want it super soft because the taste is funny in my mouth. I don't know why. Okay, so once I use my spatula, okay, to press some of the rice against the saucepan and it sticks, then I know say it's ready to go. I am ready to go. So you see what I'm doing now? You see that it sticks, it's all sticks, okay? So that's when I know that I'm ready to add my peanut butter and I'm ready to form it into balls. Okay, so I'll add the peanut butter, I'll cover it for it to steam for about 5 minutes, and I'll go in just to stir to combine the peanut butter and the rice, then we'll form it into balls. Very easy. So I added 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and disclaimer here, I'm not sure this is exactly how they make it, okay? Zimbabweans make it. I have a Zimbabwe friend, I attend church with her, and during our international day, this is the food she brought, okay? And she told us it's just peanut butter and rice. So I made my own, and it was in rice balls form. So I made it the way I think it should be made. But I don't know exactly how they make it, okay? I've not seen her make it before. So just nobody comes to chew me and say, hey, we don't do it this way, we do it that way. I'm sure there could be other ways you can do it. Probably you can cook it with the rice from start. You can add it to I'm sure you can do all that. But for me, this is how I did it. And it just was very beautiful. This changed the game for me. It was like Emo Tuo. So long as there's peanut butter in it, I'll eat it. Trust me, it tastes amazing. It tastes delicious. She served it with some chicken stews or chicken sauce, if I can call it that way, right? But I'm like, hey, Emo Tuo there, where I come from there? And then they're not quite. But I'm thinking, I can't eat this Emo Tuo with peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. No, because of the groundnut, you won't taste anything. So trust me, try another soup. And I tried it with palm nut soup. And trust me, it was delicious. It was some akokonam abenkwaimbi. Hey, chicken palm nut soup. I'll bring the recipe to you very soon. It's on the way coming. Because once I've eaten it, it means I've made it, right? So yeah, I stirred it until the butter is well incorporated. Well, at the bottom it wasn't, but as I went along, I made sure it's very nicely incorporated and nicely blended, and it's just a good meal. It's just a must try. It's a game changer for our Ghana Emo Tuo. This is amazing. It's delicious. Give it a try, and you know what I'm talking about here. Okay, so yeah, so this is it done, and as I was saying, keep mixing it. It will mix up, don't worry. When you sembia, one ababe dina, one ababe is petu Emo Tuo. So if it doesn't mix well, actually, Anyway, so yeah, so this is the Emo Tuo. I'm glad you joined me. I'm glad you are going to try this because it's amazing. I just can't emphasize the amazingness of this Emo Tuo. I can't emphasize it enough because it is, if you haven't tried it before, right, it is a must try. It is something that you have to look forward to because just like that, you just eat it on its own, right? So yes, form it into balls and you are ready to go. And that is the Emo Tuo. Look at how beautiful it looks. Nice caramel color. Hey, as a half cast, where yeah, a friend is saying, Emo Tuo half cast, so fita and brown hair, they are half cast. And I'm also saying, so I added my soup and Charlie, you see the texture of the Emo Tuo. Okay, so the water, I will give you measurement. At the end, I will give you measurement to do your rice balls to get this texture because it's not too soft. And yeah, it doesn't disintegrate. She said the starch is enough. It was perfect. I'm like, I was so proud of myself. I was patting myself on the back. Samira, why you dear? Why you dear? Wankasa, we are dear. So when you pay a dear, I added some beans. Send ye no Ghana no so. When you pay a dear, me say me why ye. People don't mind me. So this is it. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me. I'm saying a lot of thank you, but the video is not over because I need you to see the texture of the Emo Tuo. And me shada na me call no slow mo. So that mbe hu metia, mbe hu say, what tia? It doesn't embubu and anya bua ya dempo. Me de minim brofo no. Me twi na me kan kwapim twi. Bua ya kwapim twi. Mma me na ye oka. I understand what she means. I don't know if you know. Yeah, and it's so good. So please do try this. Just say you love it. Emo Tuo lovers. This one is another level of Emo Tuo. You love it, okay? And see, one try, mommy. Right, Madam Asi. God bless you all, right? And fight your battles for you. May God fight all your battles for you. May all the enemies that try to rise up against you, may God disintegrate them as some of the Emo Tuo disintegrates so that you come out with flying colors. We shall fight them squarely in Jesus' name. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.